we have already seen this example using iterator interface. Now we can also print the value using for each loop. Now I will remove this, otherwise I will comment it. Okay, see, first thing I will tell the example. I have created one example, ArrayList example. In this main method, public static void main string array args. In this I have created ArrayList object using new keyword with the string value and list. These objects or these values I have added in the list. List is the array list. Okay, array list have contained string values and the variable name is list, storing these values inside list object. Now I will print these values. Now I will print these values using for each loop also. For inside this string list. Now first I will take one variable string x into list. Okay, now print the value system.out.println string x. Now you will understand. Now we can print the value. Wait. Now we can run this project example. See the same output we can get mango, apple, grapes, banana. But after traversing if I uncomment this also, I will print both output using for each loop. Say mango, apple, mango. Here for each loop mango, apple. I think I have printed 2 times here. System.out.print next. Okay, this one I will comment. See, mango, apple, grapes, banana. Here system.out.println star. Okay, now we can run this one. 1 minute. See, this is for loop, this is iterator. There is no different. We can print anything, but using iterator we can get using iterator value using for loop value. Using for loop for each loop. Using iterator. Okay, using for loop mango, apple, banana. Using iterator mango, using iterator apple, using iterator banana. Okay, fine.